Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video today for Tuesday on showing y'all what I see on Khan Academy. So I can see when y'all log in and complete your work. Now obviously this hasn't been assigned to you, so none of this work is done, but as you get done with your work, it shows me this green check and that shows me it's ready to be graded. So don't think that you can just not complete anything and I don't see anything. I can see it on my side. So when I reach out to y'all in a day or so, and I see that there's a 0 right here or 100, that's really good, but make sure that I should see these check marks with all your work that needs to be completed. So this was from the beginning of our quarantine days, so that's why Kendrick was on the ball, and he completed a bunch of lessons hanging out at home and practiced up on his math. I can see other people during that time did not. So now that it's been assigned to you this week, make sure you get your stuff done so I can have those good grades from you, and you're practicing what we've already been taught, so it's a good time for review. So I wanted to show this to you real quick to make sure that you understood that I can see what's going on even though you're at home, okay? So complete those Khan Academy videos, watch the videos. They're good videos. Practice, do well. You know how to do it. Don't second guess yourself.